Funky D, Funky D, everybody, welcome back to Funky D News Time. Once again, Daily Post. If you go Daily Post now, you go see what thing they happen. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't tell on before. See, I no want compromise with anybody, no matter where that person come from or no matter who that person be. If matter come and see what to talk about, we go talk about them. If any news come out and we confirm say this news na real and genuine news, we go talk them, we go put them out to the public. I no want see your face, I no want know who you be. I am not here to side anybody, whether you be Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, Funky D, no see your face. Now, you get one man when they call Prophet Anthony Nwoko from Enugu State. And again, Daily Post report this matter with Prophet Anthony Nwoko. If you want confirm, go confirm him from Daily Post today. The matter today when we want talk, it don't take when Funky D they wait, but now I have to put it out to the public. Because if you they do better thing, we go talk am. If you they do bad thing to your people, we go still talk am. Irrespective of where you came from, we not send you message. The matter must be preached. Okay, now the matter today na about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the IPOB leader, the man when they lead the IPOB people. You get this man what they call Prophet Anthony Nwoko, na Igbo man, na Igbo prophet. In they want to they confirm am now say men say Nnamdi Kanu collect plenty money from Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the People Democratic Party, PDP. A few days to election when we say insane Nnamdi Kanu don't tell them say they must to do boycott, before you know what thing they happen, Nnamdi Kanu call off election boycott. You get this prophet name, like I said before, I say a name na Anthony Nwoko. You get. He said the money when they collect, say Nnamdi Kanu, upon all those things when Nnamdi Kanu they tell them, say, men, election boycott. See, as the day when he call off that boycott, it be like saying that day Nnamdi Kanu collect money from Atiku Abubakar. You get. So he said all those people, everybody when they follow Nnamdi Kanu, anybody when they follow Nnamdi Kanu, make you know say the way when they take follow Nnamdi Kanu not be so it be, because Nnamdi Kanu is not to be trusted. Say Nnamdi Kanu not get the mandate of God to deliver the Biafrans from Nigeria. You get. He said whether na Mozobo, whether na IPOB, whether na BIM, when the other people when we say, them, they agitate for this Biafran freedom. He said they are not to be trusted at all. Because una know say Nnamdi Kanu come out one time, come tell everybody say they don't sign document. Now Funky D can say who document. Ladies and gentlemen, all of you know when we make that video. When are they asking Nnamdi Kanu say make him present that document? Because since when Nnamdi Kanu tell us say then don't sign document, we need to see the document. The time when they tell us about this Jubri from Amino Sudan, say Jubri na from Sudan. Jubri na Buhari, Buhari na Jubri, Jubri na Buhari. Una know say in the show, he said scientific evidence. Now Funky they come ask and say, man, say make you show us the document when you say the sign. Just as you they show us evidence. Say Buhari na Jubri. Up to today. Some people come and come they defend the Nnamdi Kanu. They come they defend the Nnamdi Kanu say Funky D. Why waiting they make you they talk like this? Why you know say why are you rushing? Say Nnamdi Kanu go bring out the evidence. Up to today when me and you did. Election don't come, election don't go. We not see Nnamdi Kanu, we not see the evidence. When Nnamdi Kanu say the thing, when he say then sign. Because I don't tell him I say, man, who signed this thing? Since when you tell us say Buhari, not be Buhari. Say anything when in do or in sign, now null and void. Who signed this thing? Igbo people or some IPOB, not be all of them. Because some of them don't already know say this thing na wayo thing. And some of them still they believe am today. Say na written. So some of them come they say, why are they rush? Make I wait for Nnamdi Kanu say he go come present the evidence. Up to today, even Nnamdi Kanu come out one time, come they talk say he go show the evidence. Till today, we not see the evidence. Nnamdi Kanu, when before only him they come out, suddenly he begins show the other one they call Uche Mofo. Even that day when Uche Mofo they read what they read, they talk what they talk. Now so he bend down head. You know they raising head up. You know they raising face up. I say something is wrong. Something is wrong because before this Uche Mofo be not they come out. Okay, since when election now? Because now this thing now they make Funky D. They won't begin to say because I never know, but this man now and the Daily Post now then come they put out this thing. Say now they cannot collected money from Atiku Abubakar. Because Nnamdi Kanu believe say Atiku Abubakar go win. When Atiku Abubakar win, maybe he go back to Nigeria. That is, he will have his total freedom. Because now when Buhari did, Abi Jubri did, then Nnamdi Kanu cannot go to Nigeria. So the thing when Funky D talk today be say, we need the truth. Because we must speak the truth. Now this old man, what do they call Anthony Nwoko, when be prophet from Enugu State, now they confirm him today, say Nnamdi Kanu collected money from Atiku Abubakar. The man can say Nnamdi Kanu and the IPOB have failed woefully. They have failed the Igbo people. He say Uwazurike have failed the Igbo people. Nnamdi Kanu and the IPOB have failed. Uwazurike and his group have failed them. Another one what they call Uchenna Mado has failed them, the Igbos. The prophet what they call Nwoko, in say men, say not be mandate of God. Nnamdi Kanu not be mandate the person when God give the mandate, say na him must to deliver the Igbo people. Say this 2019, say he get somebody, whether na himself in the talk or Funky D, no know the person when they talk. Say if Nnamdi Kanu any money when he collect, the man they talk authoritatively. Say money when Nnamdi Kanu collect, make him go give am to Atiku Abubakar back, or make Atiku Abubakar go collect the money from Nnamdi Kanu. When be IPOB leader. Sure you get. He said this man. When they make una not believe Nnamdi Kanu, and when they shout IPOB, IPOB, IPOB. Funky D himself is very surprised. Even before me, I dey think about this matter. Say, where this Nnamdi Kanu go? Now, even the way when Nnamdi Kanu take call off this boycott, when we say election day for grant, Nnamdi Kanu say, may they not do the boycott again. May they not boycott the election again, may them go vote. I can't they ask him, man, who person Nnamdi Kanu say me then go vote? I know say inside my heart, na Atiku Abubakar, because only APC, na him Nnamdi Kanu, they condemn. You know, I don't see and condemn PDP, because all those things when they talk, because we know say in the support, that man what they call Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar. Now, Daily Post don't confirm and not say Nnamdi Kanu go collect money from Atiku Abubakar. This man say both to Wazuri, all of them, they disappointed Igbo people. Make them just forget and make nobody they follow anything. IPOB begin say IPOB and Nnamdi Kanu na fake. As for Kidi, they talk this matter and not put water for mouth. Now waiting day now when one man in name and waiting me and want to make a IPOB people go do be say make them go call that man what they call Prophet Nwoko or Prophet Anthony Nwoko from Enugu State. Make them tell and say make him bring the evidence when he take no say Nnamdi Kanu collect money. So, if you want proof say Nnamdi Kanu not collect the money, make you go ask Prophet Nwoko when go Daily Post now. Go report this matter. Say Nnamdi Kanu collected money and Atiku have to collect the money back. Or Nnamdi Kanu have to give back the money to Atiku Abubakar. Say any amount when he collect, make him give them back to Atiku Abubakar. Make him stop to the disgraced Igbo people and the Igbo elderly men. Because this man see them sign document. Funky they ask you now, where this document when Nnamdi Kanu sign? When he said the sign. And I can't see some people. I don't want just talk. But this news they put, I don't put them out. Go confirm them from Daily Post. Go confirm them from the man what they call Nwoko. Anthony Nwoko is a prophet from Enugu State. I don't ask you to say, where the evidence of the thing when you say then sign? Now I make me the tell on say man, he get some people, not be everybody. Some IPOB people when we say they're not the reason fast. Their brain is so low. They don't think fast. They don't know anything. Then they call them those people follow people. You they follow somebody, you tell you say then sign document. Why you not asking where the document and which document and who signed the document? Now just come to the public and say, oh, they don't sign document to make una not do election boycott again. Before you know, everybody, even some IPOB people are very, very angry till tomorrow with Nnamdi Kanu decision. Because that decision when Nnamdi Kanu makes is a very, very wrong decision and at the wrong time. That decision, he's not supposed to make that decision. He's supposed to stand. Now, the thing when me I talk before, and I see the talker. Now, who is to be trusted now in Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen? If an Igbo man, they come and they talk this thing, go newspaper, go put them for newspaper. This newspaper they call Daily Post, come carry them. Then, you got to call that man, make him bring out the evidence. You know, when be IPOB, when they support Nnamdi Kanu. Because everywhere, nobody is to be trusted in Nigeria. Even all this period now, since when they don't do the election, when we say Atiku Abubakar don't fail, I don't hear anything from Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody hear nothing from Nnamdi Kanu. After when Funky D dog, they go say, oh, Funky D, why you talking like that? Make you wait, no rush. Which no rush? When Nnamdi Kanu, they bring out, they post all those jubri everywhere, they tell us everything. Though nobody they doubt that matter, but in they show us evidence. Now when it come be say then sign, who sign them? You know agree talk. Now Buhari have been a jubri. If not jubri, that signature now null and void. Because now waiting, you don't tell us be that. If not Atiku Abubakar is not yet Nigerian president. I don't make the video like this before. Atiku Abubakar is not yet president. Now, Atiku Abubakar have already disappointed all of una. And even this battle when Atiku Abubakar they fight with a Jubri in court and whatever, whether he win, like I said before, whether he not win, not concern Funky D, Atiku Abubakar himself is not to be trusted. So for somebody like Nnamdi Kanu, if not true, according to this man, to they follow Atiku Abubakar, when we say say Atiku Abubakar na corrupt man, then I don't know what to call Nnamdi Kanu himself. If you dey follow somebody when we say everybody knows say na looter in that country, everybody know how mean Atiku Abubakar be. So now be saying Nnamdi Kanu himself may not to be trusted according to this prophet. And if Nnamdi Kanu collect money from Atiku Abubakar. This prophet tell us say make him return the money from Atiku Abubakar, because he said that money, Nnamdi Kanu collected that money the eve of the election. That is a day before the election day. And that was the day Nnamdi Kanu cancelled call of the boycott. Where Igbo people go stand now? If this matter now, when this man present today and Daily News don't carry him all over Nigeria, the thing day for daily newspaper. Who are Igbo people going to trust again? Who go set now? The man don't talk say both to Wazurike, both where they call BIM and his that is they are pro Biafran, other people again. Both the one they call Uchenna Mado. You see, all of them, Nnamdi Kanu, IPOP, all of this group, they failed Biafran people. He say make them stop. They don't need them again, the man said. Say make them wait this coming 29th of May. God will show them the person. Then go come see the light of the Igbo people in Igbo land. Say Nnamdi Kanu, no way. Ladies and gentlemen, who are we to trust again? If Nnamdi Kanu go collect bribe to call off the boycott to support Atiku Abubakar when he know say na rogue. Buhari did that, they do it on Atiku Abubakar go do it on Atiku Abubakar don't tell us say he won't come sell. He won't come sell off the remaining thing when they for Nigeria. Now they can't do. All this one when they go call, they do up and down, will not send a message. Whether he win election, I not win election, he not consign from Kidi, he not consign anybody. All what we know be say Atiku Abubakar is not to be trusted. PDP is not to be trusted. APC is not to be trusted. Then joining in Nnamdi Kanu again. I don't know what to say. I don't know, because this is a big blow to Igbo people, a big blow to Biafran people, a big blow to Southeast or to Southeastern region. I don't understand why people are so greedy and anxious to make money. You get. So if you want to confirm this story or this news, go Daily Post right now. You will see it. Go see that man, what they call Anthony Nwoko, will be the prophet from Enugu State. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are stopping this segment today. If you get anything when you want yarn concerning this matter, the yarn through comment they come. Funky did they here. Anyhow, when you want yarn, whatever you get for mind to talk regarding this Nnamdi Kanu Tori, or regarding this Nwoko Tori, or regarding all this them Uche Mofo and Uchenna and this one they call Wazurike them. IPOP, anything when you want yarn, the yarn and they come through comment. Through my comment section, you feel reach me anyhow. Then, to Funk Main, ladies and gentlemen, I say thank you so much. Make us keep and stay as one people, one mind. Okay, make we the reason together. Make we not mind all these saboteurs them. When they Nigeria, but the one when they Yoruba land, we no go they send them message. The one when they Northern part, we no go send them message. The one when be Biafra, or when come from eastern part of the country, we no go send them message. The only thing when we won't send them be say we go they preach the truth, the right thing. When go make Nigeria move forward, not be the one when go they set Nigeria backward. So you get. Make una not forget to share my video. That is my subscribers. So now make una they subscribe and make una they share my video. They tell them say make they subscribe so that we go to plenty the more. And anytime when we speak, I'm going to hear our voice. So you get. And make una not forget to press that bell sign. Thank you very much. And God bless you. Funky D. Thank you.